run the Tide Wash Inventory Cleaner in the direct drive here.
I can put it in while it's filling, right?
Yes.
Okay. I know what the dishwasher is filling. Well, let's wait for that.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Oh, look at the fucking waterfall go over there.
Yeah. Do you go all around or just by the water itself?
Yeah, all around.
Okay. Oh, that's went a lot faster than I thought it would. That's okay.
Yep. So we have the stuff in there. That's going to do its thing, and we're going to wax the machines while we're here. Friggin' rights we did. So we're going to shut the lid, obviously, because we're going to be waxing that. And we'll get started with that as this guy is going here. We're washing away very nicely. The wax has been applied, and now we're going to take it off. You probably want to chooch it up a little bit from minimum to maybe like 2-ish, yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah, somewhere in there.
Oh,
let's.
Okay. See how it
Going
looks
into
now.
low speed or medium speed.
Yeah, so it looks pretty clean. Okay. And just go in like a circular motion still?
Pretty much. Polish that off and roast everything to a nice clean shine, and Bob's the rumpet. Harbor Freight quality.
What was that?
Harbor Freight quality.
Harbor quality, yeah.
Polish them all up and looking right. We cleaned them before, and maybe we'll put another coat on them. We'll see. Put a second coat on. This is going to go to drain real soon. And then you get to hear all the gurglies with it. You can hear them now. Here we go. And of course the gurglies. This is going to drain out completely. And what year was this machine from?
It's 1990, but it was probably manufactured in '89.
So 25, 26 years old.
Yeah.
Friggin' rice, man. They don't make them like that no more.
Oh no, definitely not.
So wait till this goes into spin, and then we'll give this another coat of wax.
So it's just reset.
Debris that's not even there.
I think as soon as it empties, it's going to go to spin because
it's pretty full, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we overfilled it a little bit. There you go. And it's empty.
Wow, wow, just made it.
Yeah, absolutely. Here we go. Right on, Ricky.
Oh yeah.
Now this is a warm rinse, so look at that fucking water chutes in there. My God. And now we're in drain. We just gave the machines another coat of wax. They look a lot nicer now. A lot of the yellowing came off the dryer as well, so that's real nice. Extra bonus.
You didn't see the extra very fast, very quick spray rinse last time, because remember when we did the towels, we went downstairs afterwards.
Oh, that's right, yeah. So that's going to happen in just a couple of moments. So stay tuned for that. Spray rinse, warm. Second one also, right?
Yeah, and it does a very quick third one, like on off.
Really?
Yeah, that's what we missed last time.
Okay. Oh yeah. The suspense, ladies and gentlemen, the suspense. So, where's this spray rinse, yeah? How long?
See?
Wow. It's like it almost forgot.
Yeah.
Anyway, so just to prove it's waxed, see how the glass just slides on here also. Oh wow, where'd that go?
You know what? It's bumped in the middle via lip.
Yes, of course, but even so, it definitely is a lot more slick and a lot nicer surface than it was.
Okay.
So you're doing good, guys.